What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Now in this video I'm going to show you an innovative and a really effective method of doing affiliate marketing. Now we're going to be doing it without your own traffic source, without your own audience, without your own social media presence, without anything. And you don't even need a website, you don't need a landing page, you don't need a landing page builder, you do not need anything. Everything is going to be provided for you. Now before we begin, let me explain to you how affiliate marketing works. Affiliate marketing is where you're getting compensated when somebody else buys the product. So if you are an affiliate marketer and you basically get me to buy a product or a service or something, you're going to get a percentage of a commission depending on the offer. And so here we have a visitor. This is a third-party visitor, somebody browsing around on the internet. They go on the traffic source, they go on a website or something, right? They click an affiliate link to buy the product. So this is not a link, a direct link. This link has a special tracking information. So once they click it and they buy the product, the merchant, basically the merchant who is actually selling the product, they are going to know who referred them to buy the product. It's like, if I have a really good accountant and I referred you and you're looking for an accountant and I basically told you, hey, I know this really good accountant, tell them that I sent you, and you do that, maybe you'll get really nice service, maybe you'll get some discount, but most importantly, the accountant is going to know that I'm the one who referred you and she's going to be very grateful to me, or at least I hope so, that, I'm getting her new clients and stuff like that. So this is affiliate marketing. This is kind of how it works. And traditionally, you need a website, you need a traffic source, and it would be ideal if you do. But in this video, I'm going to show you a method where you don't need any of that. Everything is going to be provided to you. And so let me show you, first of all, here's a video of a YouTuber. This is called Modern Dad. This video has 22,000 views. He has 65,000 subscribers. None of that is really important. What I want you to pay attention to is he's basically recommending his gear, his tools, his stuff that he's using, and he's basically saying, and for that we've turned to kit.co. Hit up this link to see our up-to-date list of everything we're using, abusing, and generally having a great time with. And so if you go to this link, you're going to be on a page like this, and this is a website called kit.co. And the purpose of this website is to create your own kit. And kit is basically a collection of products, that you're using or you're recommending or you've used before, you're planning on using, whatever the case may be. And so this person has 15 kits. He basically has 15 different collections that he's recommending. And the purpose of kind of grouping them as kits, because potentially he could have just listed the whole thing and just made a long list. But by grouping them into kits, it makes it a lot easier to see what's going on. So for instance, he has this My First Raspberry Pi. If you want to have your own Raspberry Pi, which is basically a small computer, you can buy these. You can basically go into this kit, learn more about it. Here's the best stuff for cutting the cable cord, best stuff for Amazon Echo. So let's say I want to purchase a Raspberry Pi. All I do is I click on this kit, and it also asks me to sign up for email updates. And so once I do that, I'm basically at a page that has a list of products. And guess what? If you want to actually buy this product, you have to click on this link. So if I click on the product here, it's going to redirect me to a page on Amazon that's selling this product. And so here I am in Amazon. This price is actually $45. There's different plans. Here's some images, things like that. And if I purchase this product, he's going to get a commission. Now, the commission is going to range from like 2% to maybe somewhere like 8%, depending on the product category. It depends on their terms and conditions. And so this is a $45 product, so he's going to get a small percentage of it. But if I decide to actually go out and I decide to browse more, and let's say I have a shopping cart of like $1,000, he's going to make some decent money with a $1,000 shopping cart. So if you're promoting products that cost maybe $100 or more, $200 or more, $300 or more, high value ticket items, you're going to be able to make more money. And that is kind of the way this works. And this is amazing. This is an amazing thing, because this kit.co really eliminates the reason for you to create your own website, right? This is your own website. And the other main advantage of it is this is very, very legit. Like, everybody's doing it. If I go back to kind of the main page, let's go to kit.co. And we're at the main page of kit.co. So we're no longer at that creator's personal page. We're at, basically their homepage. And you have Peter McKinnon. He is a really big YouTuber. This page got 750,000 views, and a lot of people bought his recommendation, so he's making good money with that. We have here Tech Source. We have my streaming setup. We scroll down, we see MKBHD. He's also a popular tech YouTuber, and you can go and look at his product list. We have here Harris Heller, which also has almost 1 million views, the streaming starter kit. And so if I want to, let's say I'm following this YouTuber and I want to know about streaming. So I basically go to his kit and I just learn, okay, let's say I need a webcam, I need a microphone, I need some lights. There's some more gear. I have a video card that basically takes the input from some source and redirects it somewhere else. This is called a video capture card, right? Elgato game capture card. And so I can basically buy the products that he's recommending, and I can go on Amazon and I can view them there. Now, you can obviously go and promote these Amazon products yourself. You can do that. But the problem with promoting them yourself is that, first of all, Amazon has very stringent policies of promoting products, right? If you do this on your own website, you really have to follow what they tell you. And that means, number one, you cannot display the price. You cannot use other images. You have to use Amazon's provided images. There are also a lot of other rules. And if you ignore some of these rules or disobey them knowingly or unknowingly, ignorance is not a bliss in this case, you're going to have problems, because Amazon might actually go out and they might actually disable your account or ban you from the program. That has happened before. And so it's a very big risk for beginners to going out and promoting these products themselves. And so this makes it really easy, right? You can go out, you can sign up as a creator, and you can actually promote different products. I'm going to be using this as well for some of my other projects. I have used this in the past, and this is a great platform. Now, let's talk about traffic. How do you promote it? If you have your own traffic, great. Let's say you have your own YouTube channel. Well, great. You can do what everybody else is doing. You can basically promote them in your description. This is a really great method. And so if you want to do some kind of reviews, tech reviews, some other kitchen gear reviews, bedding sheets reviews, anything and everything, you can go out and you can basically promote them inside your channel. Now, let's say you don't have your own audience. Let's say you're starting out fresh. You don't know where to begin. No problem. I'm going to show you a couple of methods for doing this easily, quickly and easily. Now, the first method is Twitter. Okay, I'm basically browsing Twitter and I can see that people are basically promoting their gear. So, for instance, here's David Perel. He's I guess he's some kind of maybe a gear reviewer, or maybe he's just a regular person, right? Just like you and me, without a huge following. And this person is basically asking them, hey, what is the camera and audio equipment you're using for the show and tell, right? This could be a YouTube channel, maybe something else. And he's saying, hey, thank you so much, thanks for asking. Here's my gear review, right? And this is legit, right? If he was, sending his, Max Bounty offer link around, or ClickBank offer link around, that long link, it has a lot of numbers and digits. It's not very credible, right? It doesn't instill a lot of confidence. People know that there's something strange with that link, right? They know that this is not just a blog where somebody could come in and read about their stuff. They know that there's something going on with that link. So obviously they're going to be a little bit hesitant. But by basically, sharing your link to kit.co, it's a lot better, right? Because, it's legitimate. Everybody's doing it on YouTube. It's the same link. It's basically a landing page with affiliate links. But the way it's done, right? The way how nice is done, the way it's a third party, the way it's not, some random website, it instills a lot of confidence. And so that means a couple of things. Number one is that you're not going to have problems sharing this link on social media platforms, right? You're not going to have problems. You can even run ads to this link if you want, but that's a topic for another video. You're not going to have problems sharing this link here. Twitter might ban, Max Bounty links possibly in the future, or ClickBank link, if not, they're, if this is not that they're doing something already. Right, I wouldn't be surprised, right? Because they can easily filter ClickBank links, because there's a lot of spam where people are just direct linking to ClickBank. Nobody's gonna ban kit.co because it's used by a lot of famous YouTubers and a lot of really big time guys, big and small, right? And so nobody's gonna ban it. And the second thing is that it instills confidence, right? It instills confidence. The fact that I'm sharing this link, nobody's gonna tell me, nobody's gonna accuse me that I'm out just spamming my affiliate links, which is kind of what it is, right? This is just on a page with affiliate links. The second way that you can promote them, there's a lot of ways of promoting them, is on Facebook groups. So I'm a big photography, videography kind of person. I like this kind of things. And so if I put photography and I go into groups, I see a lot of groups. Now, let me tell you a couple of ways that you can basically promote this. Number one is you do not want to go out and spam this link. Like, I know this is kit.co. It's a legit link, but you do not want to spam it. Simply because, you're just, even if you're spamming google.com or yahoo.com, the fact that you're spamming is your behavior is gonna raise a lot of eyebrows, and it's gonna trigger a lot of these BS detectors from people. And so you do not want to spam. The way you want to do is you want to be this friendly, chatty guy. You want to come in, you want to make conversation, you want to talk to people and say, oh, by the way, I'm starting with videography or streaming, and I bought this cool stuff. You want to check out my gear? Here it is, right? And whenever you're promoting this kit.co, it's very legit, it's very friendly, it's not spammy, you're not coming off as a try-hard. And obviously you can go on Google and you can search a lot of these niche communities, niche forums. I'm just kind of showing you the two main ones. But you can start a YouTube channel, you can go on Twitter, you can go on Facebook, you can have a Vimeo community, you can promote your videos on Vimeo if you have a Vimeo account. There's a lot of ways of doing it, but it's a very, very legit way of promoting affiliate products. And this is Amazon. This is, legitimate. This is, a legitimate affiliate program. And so this is a really great way to do it. And so check out some of the YouTubers. I found this modern that there's a lot of these YouTubers. Basically, go on kit.co, go on their main page, just, the homepage of kit.co, and check out what kind of products are being promoted right here. This is complete sugar wax kit. Now, I have no idea what this is. This is obviously a product for females, for women. And here's a streaming setup. This is something I know a little bit about. My kitchen. Here's my kitchen. 1 million views. This one has 79,000 views. My film and editing equipment, 287,000 views. My best beauty products, 135 views. So they allow, it's not like they just basically promote. And they're also going to promote your products, right? This is a homepage. They're going to be promoting products that they like, and it's not just products from big creators, from million views like this pack. This is also from products that 100 views, 135 views. Everybody, right? 53 views, 48 views, right? So you're even going to get promoted on this page as well. It's kind of its own social network. It really is a social network, right? Because you sign up, I can follow people, I can click on this, I can click here, I can basically click on follow, and I need to create an account for that, obviously, and I will get updates about their thing. And so you can establish your own presence on this platform, and you can potentially make some decent money by basically promoting your really affiliate links on this platform by establishing a presence. So this is a fantastic way. They're going to be sending you traffic. You can go on Twitter and basically join conversations with people. Even if you don't have your own audience, you can go on Facebook, join conversations there. Go on a social network, join a conversation. You can even create a YouTube channel and promote it there. All right, guys? So that is kind of all I wanted to talk about in this video. I wanted to show you a really, really great tool for promoting what essentially is affiliate products, right? So you can, whether your interest is photography or videography or camping and outdoors or kitchen equipment or whatever Amazon sells, you can basically create your own kit page and promote it there. All right, guys? So I really, really hope you've gotten value from this video. Let me know what you thought about it below in the comments. I answer every single comment. I want to help all of you guys out. This is what I'm here for. Let me know what you think in the comments. Like and share this video. If you want to see more content like this, affiliate marketing without a website, without an audience, I have a lot more ideas. I have a lot more tricks up my sleeve. If you want to see more videos like this, leave a comment below. Tell me I want to see more videos like this. Like the video. I want to see a lot of likes. I want to see at least 100 likes on this video. I want to see at least 100 comments on this video. Let me know what you thought. I'm going to be making a lot more videos such as this one. I have a lot more ideas. and a lot more tactics that a lot of other people are not really covering. So once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.